In today's video, we are going to add all credentials of Google, like Google Drive, Google Email, Google Sheet, all those stuff. We just connect Google Drive and then automatically all stuff will connect it. Can use same Google client ID and client secret in all Google stuff like email, Gmail, Google Sheet, everywhere. So let's go. So first we come a home page of our N8n. So here in create workflow, click on create credentials. Here search for Google Drive. Click on this. Continue. Now here it is asking for two things, client ID and client secrets. So let's go get these things. Search for Google Cloud Console. Open this one. Log in here and create a new project. Click here. Create new project. Put any name if anything you want. I am just putting Drive. If you don't have any organized, then put no organization. Just create it. Now select that project. Select this. Now search for Google Drive. Drive API, this one. Enable this. After enabling this, it will redirect you this page. In here, click on this OAuth. Get start. Here, put any name. App name. N8n. Use. Okay. Here, put email. Same email. Internal means we are using in Google. Means in Google environment. We are using in N8n. That's why we select external. Okay. Next. Put same email here. Next. I agree. Create. As you can see, after that, click on this. Create auth client. Here, select web application. Any name. I'm putting it same. In this place, put this URL. Just click on this. It automatically copy it. After that, paste it here. Okay. Now create this. So here are our client ID and client secret. So copy that. Come here, paste it here. Copy this one. Paste it here. After that, doing that, go to this audience. Add a user here. Same email. Save it. Now come here. Connect it with sign in with Google. Okay, after confirming that code, then just continue. Select all because we are giving all our access to N8n. Now continue. As you can see, it is connected successfully. Now, if you want to connect a Google Sheet or email, we just enable it and we can use the same client ID and secret ID in all our Google stuff. Like in Google Sheet, we go here. Go here. Just enable this and you can use same client ID, client secret in this, like creating new credential, Google Sheet, continue, same, put here, go in this section, click on this one, copy those client secret, paste it here, client ID is this one, so copy this, paste here, and now just sign in with Google. Continue, select all, continue. As you can see, our Google Sheet also connected. Same goes too with all Google stuff. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, drop a comment if you have any question about this. See you next video.